Hello, I am Ritesh Mishra. Today I have brought one question of number theory which is very useful for JEE Advanced and Olympiad aspirants. So please have a look of the question. It is now in front of you. Try by your own, pause the video and then see the solution. So let's start with the question. See, in this question, we will apply the concept of congruence. So see how we will use the congruence theorem in this question. The first thing is 36 is congruent to 1 modulo 7. When 36 is divided by 7, it leaves remainder 1. This means that. And therefore, 36 raised to 5 is also congruent to 1 modulo 7, बिकॉज 36 को ही जब 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 1 आएगा. तो 36 का पावर कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर लेते हैं तब भी उसको जब 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, रिमाइंडर 1 ही आने वाला है. वेरी गुड. नाउ सी अगेन 36 raised to 5. This we can write, this is equivalent to 33 plus 3 raised to 5. Here when you use here the binomial coefficient, binomial expansion, then this is almost equivalent to 3 raised to 5. Okay, and this 3 raised to 5 when divided by 11, when divided by 11, what will be the remainder? Can you imagine? 3 raised to 5, just you can do it. 3 raised to 4 is nothing but 81. So 3 raised to 5 is nothing but 243. When you divide this by 11, it will leaves remainder 1 modulo 11. Okay, because 22 carry to 23 divided by 11, remainder is 1. Okay, this means what? This means when 36 raised to 5 divided by 77, it will leave remainder 1. Understood? Now है 41 is congruent to minus 36 modulo 7. Okay, when 41 is divided by 77, it leaves remainder minus 36. Now 36 raised to 36 plus 41 raised to 41. This we can write 36 raised to 36 plus minus 36 raised to 41. And this we can take common, 36 raised to 36. When you take it common, it will be 1 plus, here will be minus 36 raised to 5. Okay, and this is equivalent to 36 raised to 36 and 1 minus 1 is congruent modulo 77. Because I have already proved here, you can check it. This you can check what is written here. This concept I have used here. There 0 it will be. This means when 36 raised to 36 plus 41 raised to 41 is divided by 77, it leaves remainder 0, hence proved. Okay, now I am giving you one question to you for homework. Let's see this question. This question is, it is for your homework. Prove that 19 raised to 19 plus 69 raised to 69 is divisible by 44. This is for your homework.